Hello, and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today, we're going to be talking about all of the amazing benefits of Lapis Lazuli, the stone of total awareness. For those who've watched my videos before, welcome back. For those who are brand new to the channel, my name is Shannon. I'm a certified Reiki master and a certified gemologist, and I use those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice crystal healing in your daily life. Yep, you can use crystals every single day for everyday scenarios. And today we're going to be talking about lapis. It's a deep blue stone with white intermingled, and the key identifying feature is that it will most likely have bits of pyrite inclusions sparkling in there, and they look like little golden sparklies in your deep blue stone, which is really gorgeous. And the stone isn't that huge, but you don't need really large stones to get the benefits of crystal healing. They can be very small stones because diamonds still pack a punch and they're not very huge. And today I'm also wearing lapis, and I'm wearing a lapis bracelet as well on my receiving arm to really get the energy of lapis flowing today. And these are available in my Etsy store. The link is in the description below. If you feel like lapis is a stone that you want to get to know more, then I do have some available in the Etsy store. The bracelets come with a little gemstone, so you get them both. So today, lapis, the stone of total awareness. It's a really powerful stone. I'm going to be talking about 4 primary benefits that you can get from lapis in your everyday life. And the first one is that it awakens your intuitive and psychic abilities. It's connected with the third eye and the throat chakra. And with the third eye, we are connected with that expanse of spiritual and universal knowledge that we can access. But first, what is intuition? It's a term I use a lot. It's a term that's commonly referenced as well. But what is it? How do you know if you're connecting with it? Well, intuition is a trust that the information that you're receiving from within, maybe even if you don't have any facts to back it up, you trust that it's true and valid. And they're kind of those gut feelings that you get, or times when you just know. You just know. Like, you know if you prefer one stone or the other, and you trust that that preferred stone is going to help you in some way. You just trust that you're called to it. But also scenarios like, I really think we should get out of here. I have a bad feeling about this. Or I feel like that person's not being totally honest with me. Or even the trust that the decisions that you're making based on your internal feelings are valid, that they're true. That's intuition. And lapis helps support developing our trust in that intuition and opening us up to hear it. So if you feel like you're not very connected with your intuition, or you don't have a lot of faith in it, working with lapis will help strengthen that. And also, if you're working in a field that really depends on your intuitive trust, the foundation of it, like tarot card readers, psychic readers, channelers, anything that requires that you trust your intuition, lapis will support you. So you can wear it if you're going to sit down and read the tarot cards. Now, the second benefit is related, and it connects us deeply to our inner awareness and self-expression, and we're moving down into the throat chakra benefits here. And this inner awareness is a little bit different than intuition. But Lapis connects us with the truth, whether we want to see it or not. It takes the blindfolds right on off and enables issues that have been blocking us or that we need to address. It allows them to rise to the surface. That can be a little rough if you're not expecting it, but it can be really powerful if you're doing that intentionally. Lapis identifies areas in which you can dissolve barriers to your path. Now, this can be rough, but it shows you exactly what you need to work on so that you can progress in your path. This also connects you to that inner awareness of who you are, who your authentic and true self is. And it helps support your discovery of that authenticity and your expression of your authentic self to the world. So if there are things that you've been hesitant to share to the world about yourself, Lapis supports you being you and showing that to the world. And that's our self-expression, that you feel like you are living truly as you. The third benefit of Lapis is emotional healing. So as Lapis is unearthing these issues, things that you didn't want to look at, or wounds from the past, Lapis will support you as you start to heal from some of those past wounds, resentments, attachments that you have to let go. Like, working through those things can be difficult, and Lapis helps you with that. It helps to release repressed anger, dissolve stress, and helps instill a deep sense of peace so that you can feel comfortable as you're working through the healing process. And it also helps you as these things are rising to the surface. You're already releasing emotions, dissolving anxiety. It's already helping you work through some of that stuff, helping you release it so that it can no longer be a block on your path. And the fourth benefit of Lapis is it helps strengthen your energetic shield. Lapis is very protective. It brings up a lot of issues. It makes you look at things that you probably didn't want to, and it's going to create a safe space for you to do that. Lapis purifies your whole energetic field, your aura, and your chakras. And so it's creating a harmonious, energetic place for you to process. It also strengthens that aura. So it will protect you from incoming negativity, and it will also shield and embrace you while you work through the things that you need to. It protects you as you heal and as you open up to this vast expanse of universal wisdom. You might start feeling a little overwhelmed, but Lapis is going to keep you in a safe space while you work through all of that. So really, in summary, Lapis is a stone that really connects you to the truth, total awareness. And it's one that you use when you really want to grow and expand beyond your comfort zone, when you want to really address some of the things that are stopping you from progressing in the direction that you hope to. But since it is pretty powerful, work with it intentionally It can be overpowering at times, so I suggest trying this in small time periods until you get used to it. Now I'll be posting a guided meditation on Saturday in 2 days with Lapis, and it's not very long. It's about 10 to 15 minutes, so you're probably not going to get overwhelmed in that time period. But that meditation will give you the opportunity to determine if Lapis is the stone that you want to work with more. If in this video you feel called to something that I said, or if it makes you feel uncomfortable, that's a sign that maybe Lapis is something that you should work with more. And I invite you to sit through the guided meditation. You don't need a gemstone to determine if it's going to be useful for you. Now, sit through the guided meditation and see if something really stands out to you. And if it does, then you might want to purchase some Lapis and do the guided meditation a couple of times and see how that affects you. Thank you very much for joining me on this exploration of Lapis Lazuli today. And if you like the video, please like it. And do know that I post a new gemstone, 2 new gemstone videos every week. So each week has a gemstone theme. This week is Lapis. So on Thursdays, I post the informational video, and on Saturdays, the guided meditations. So if you want to learn about a brand new crystal every single week and figure out which ones are most supportive to you, hit the subscribe button and you'll be alerted to all the new videos that I post. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you in the guided meditation on Saturday.